apart from the one here, which one do you want again? Like,
oh, okay, we're going to Abel. Should I tell? Okay, let me just tell.
Okay.
Abel Kuta, we're going to have a branch in Abuja, Lekki, then possibly Port Harcourt.
Wow.
Have you explained anyone in the UK, America, Canada?
They are calling you. Yes, so my fans are saying, okay, Messi, come to the UK. So if I just expect the unexpected, don't worry. Yes, so we're expanding and everywhere and anywhere. We're ready to go anywhere. And as long as you know what I mean, guys. And another impression I would like to correct is that because Mac Diva is owned by Mercy, a lot of people have this perception that, oh, our things are going to be expensive and all that. No, my things are not expensive. I sell unique, trendy, fashionable items at very reasonable prices. Wow. A lot of my customers comes and they see the price and they're like, oh my God, that they can't believe that, you know, I would sell at that price. So my aim is to make sure that every Nigerian woman looks stunning, looks gorgeous without having to break the bank. So guys, my prices are very affordable. So come guys, come and shop so you look very gorgeous. So thank you guys for coming.
I want to believe that the brand will expand from Lagos now that in Ibadan. We're looking at maybe Abuja, Port Harcourt, where we have people who are really style conscious, you know, people who are fashion savvy. Yes, I think Ibadan is getting to that level. That's why she brought her store here.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.